Good afternoon. The Kerala culture and tradition. The culture and heritage of Kerala is one that everyone must experience. The culture of Kerala is a combination of both Indian and Dravidian culture. Nowadays, this culture is being influenced by the neighboring states as well. The main USP of Kerala is its performing arts like Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, and martial art of Kalaripayattu. As for the heritage of Kerala, it can be said that this heritage holds a special and important place in Indian history. Providing a national integrity is the Kerala heritage. This culture and heritage of Kerala is reflected in its various art forms, martial arts, dresses, the people and cuisine. When in Kerala, do not miss a cultural art performance. The visitors can enjoy the following art performances in Kerala. Kathakali, a 300-year-old dance that combines opera, ballet, mask and pantomime. Mohiniyattam, the dance of a beautiful enchantress. Kalaripayattu, a martial art form that involves synchronizing the mind and body. Each of the festival in Kerala is celebrated with all its pomp and grandeur. The main festivals of Kerala include Onam, Vishu, Eid, Thrissur Puram and many more. In some of these festivals like Puram, the main aspect is a procession where elephants are decorated and taken out to the temple grounds. Ayurveda in Kerala can be dated back to as long as 2000 years. It is an ancient treatment in which not only the body but the mind is also totally rejuvenated. Earlier, this was done only by the natives, but now it has become famous especially among the other native Indians and foreigners. The culture of Kerala can be traced back as long as 5000 years. The main language spoken here is Malayalam and the people here are called Malayalis. The traditional dresses include sari and munda. The main cuisine here is of a sadhya, vegetarian meals served in a plantain leaf. The other delicacies include various vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. Puttu and kadala, kallappam, idiyappam, കരിമീൻ fry, ചെമ്മീൻ and ഞണ്ട് are a few of the main mouth-watering dishes served in Kerala. Visit the state of Kerala at least once in your lifetime to experience all this firsthand. It is a guarantee that you will leave this place with heart full of memories. Lying in the southwestern tip of India, the Green Strip of Kerala, sandwiched between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea, is unique and stands apart from the rest of the states in the country. With a very high literacy rate, Kerala is at the forefront in setting high standards in social justice, gender equality, health and education in the country. An epitome of religious harmony, it was true, Kerala, that Christianity and Islam made its entry to India. And not just that, the country's first church and mosque are located in Kodungalur in central Kerala. Kerala is a spice garden of the world. Earlier, traders from far-flung lands reached Kerala in search of the spices. Later, European powers followed this spice route to reach Kerala. Enriched by nature and abundance of water, Kerala can be reckoned as the land of rains. Its lifelines are the two rainy seasons of Idavappadi and Tulavarsham. Let us set out on a voyage through the history and culture of this land that is inimitable. A journey replete with vibrant colors, flavors and music. It will unravel to us the mysteries of Kerala. The Kerala culture and tradition. Kerala, a land of cultural diversity, is a complete whole made up of a blending of various religions, communities, regional cultures, and language variations. Kerala culture can be compared to a chain made of different colored beads, and the thread through which the beads are strung is the Malayalam language. The cultural variety of Kerala was created by its unique geographic features as it lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. Rich in rainforests, its ancient trade relations with foreign lands, entry of immigrant communities during different periods, agricultural tradition, cuisine, and its tradition of art, literature, science, and all these make the land Kerala. Though Kerala had remained as a unique cultural zone from ancient times, it became politically united with the formation of the Kerala state. This land, which lay divided into the Travancore and Kochi kingdoms and Malabar district in the Madras presidency, under the British rule became a single state on November 1st, 1956. Kerala is bordered by Tamil Nadu on its east and south, by Karnataka on its north and northeast, and by the Arabian Sea on its west. Lakshadweep, which is a union territory lying on the Arabian Sea, and Mayuri, which is an enclave of Puducherry state lying within Kerala, are part of Kerala culture both in terms of language and culture. Kerala's cultural heritage is centuries old. The culture of Kerala is an amalgam of native art forms, language, literature, architectural style, music, festivals, cuisine, archaeological monuments, heritage centers, and so on. There are many cultural institutions dedicated to protect these as well. The artistic field of Kerala comprises ancient classical art, folk art, as well as modern artistic forms like the cinema. The arts of Kerala can be divided generally into audiovisual arts and also into classical art forms and folk art forms. Visual arts include stage art, sculpture, painting, and cinema, which comprise both classical and folk forms. Music and instrumental music belong to audio arts. The music culture of Kerala includes folk music and classical music, comprising Carnatic music, Kathakali music, and Sobhana music. The traditional music instruments of Kerala include, among others, Panchavadyam, Chandamelam, and Tayambaka. Kerala has a distinctive architectural tradition. Places of worship and ancient houses are examples of that architectural style that gave importance to simplicity. They were built according to Tachu Shastra. You can also see a distinct temple architectural style. Tantra Samuchayam, Shilpa Chandrika, and Manushala Chandrika are some of the famous books on the science of architecture. Malayalam cinema field is one of the strongest in India. Kerala has contributed a number of film personalities who were well known worldwide. The first cinema show in Kerala was held in Kozhikode in the year 1906. Mobile cinema screening practice gave way to permanent cinema halls by the third decade of the 20th century. The early days, usually, Tamil pictures were shown. The first Malayalam cinema is Vigada Kumaran, a silent movie by J.C. Daniel, who deserves the title of the father of Malayalam cinema. In 1933, the second movie, Marthanda Varma, also was screened. The first talking movie in Malayalam is Balan. The first cinema studio, Udaya, was established in Alappuzha in the year 1948. The main food of the people of Kerala is rice. The typical Kerala cuisine comprises cooked rice along with curries of vegetables, fish, meat, and eggs. Rice is also used to make a whole variety of other dishes. Rather than native Kerala food, today Kerala has a multicultural cuisine. Rice and coconut form the basis of Kerala food. The entire vivacity of Kerala life appears during the lands festivals. There are festivals related to religions and places of worship as well as secular festivals. Onam is a national festival of Kerala. This state has its own native sports, culture and folk games. Kalarippayattu is a martial art form developed in Kerala. Diverse cultural heritage and exalted social signifiers are distinctive features of Kerala. The state which boasts the highest literacy, gender equality and lowest mother-infant mortality ratio is also at the forefront as regards health standards, education for all, public distribution system, social justice, law and order, and influence of press and other media. The much applauded Kerala model of development has these distinctive features as basis. Kerala landscape. With the Western Ghats at an elevation of 2,700 from sea level on its east and Arabian Sea on its west and south, Kerala has 44 rivers which give this land a beautiful diversified landscape. It is no exaggeration to call this beautiful part of the world as God's own country. Mountains, valleys, backwaters and beaches fill the beautiful landscape of Kerala, making the epithet God's own country not an exaggerated one. Blessed with hot summers, long monsoon, water and jungle-based resources, verdant landscapes and long beaches, legends say that Parshurama, the temperamental figure in Hindu mythology, was the one who reclaimed the territory of Kerala from the ocean. Based on the geography, Kerala can be divided into three. They are Malanadu, Idanadu and Teerapradesh. The hilly region located adjacent to the Western Ghats lies in the north-south direction. This region has tropical, moist evergreen forests filled with wild animals. Most of the rivers in Kerala originate from these forest-covered hills. The most famous evergreen forest in this hilly region of Kerala is Silent Valley, located near Mannarkad of Palakkad district. Alamudi, at an elevation of 2,695 meters, is the highest peak in Kerala, and Agasthyakudam at an elevation of 1869 meters is the highest peak in the southern end of Kerala. Silent Valley at Iravikulam are the two national parks of Kerala. The western coastal region lies parallel to the Western Ghats from north to south. Between the hilly region and the coastal region lies the Idanadu, which contains small hills and plains. Kerala has 41 rivers flowing westwards into the backwaters and Arabian Sea and 3 rivers following eastwards. Based on the report of the Public Works Department of the Kerala government published in 1974, the streams which are longer than 15 kilometers are considered as rivers. Kerala has many freshwater lakes. The Vellaini Kayal in Thiruvananthapuram district, Shastamkota Kayal in Kollam, Enamakkal and Mannakudi Kayal in Thrissur district, and Pookkod Tadagam in Wayanad district are the freshwater lakes of God's own country. Thank you.